This is a detailed video about all the prepositions in A1 level. The first one we are going to discuss about by, als, in and AUF. All detailed information, it is all in this video, so stay tuned. By means at or for. Then als means as. Als means as. In is in, just in English. Then aus means from. This is used mainly in countries. I come from Kenya. Ich komme aus Kenya. You use aus to mean from. Next is als. Als means as. This one is used alongside with the verb arbeiten. Arbeiten means to work. So you must use the word arbeit. You conjugate it depending with the personal pronouns you are using. For example, if you use a personal pronoun ich, you will say ich arbeite als. Then you add the beruf you are working for. For example, if you are a doctor, ich arbeite als Ärztin, if is a female. Next is by. By means at or for. This means when you are mentioning the specific company or organization you are working for. Maybe you want to say, I work at a company called Mercedes. You will say, ich arbeite bei Mercedes. Ich arbeite bei Mercedes. I work at Mercedes company. You must mention the specific place you are working for or you are working at. Another example, maybe you want to use the name of a person, you can say Scovia arbeitet als Ingenieurin bei Siemens. Scovia arbeitet als Ingenieurin bei Siemens. Next we have in. In just means in English, but now this one is used when you are mentioning the place or the city or the place where you work or the city where you are working in or the country where you are working in. For example, ich arbeite in Stuttgart. I work in Stuttgart. It is showing the specific place where I am working. You can also say ich arbeite in Berlin. I work in Berlin. Where are you working? I work here. It shows the place. Let's do a quick recap. Als, you must use the verb arbeiten, then als, then beruf, then by, you use the company, in the place. Master these ones, they are very important. There are three terms that people misuse. The first term is job. Job doesn't literally mean job, it means something else, and it means a side hustle. Maybe you have your main work or your main employment. Maybe you are a nurse and you have a side job that is helping you to pay your bills. Maybe it's an online or a 2-hour job per day. That is now the job. Yeah, it is a side hustle job. Get the difference. A lot of people, they always misuse this word. You can say ich habe einen Job. Ich habe einen Job. I have a side hustle. Oder ich habe einen Job als Kellner. I have a side hustle as a waiter. Yes, I am a nurse, or yes, I am a pilot, but I have a side hustle. I'm working as a waiter in a hotel, okay? Do not misuse this word, okay? Our next word is student. Student means a university student, and it is strictly for university students only. When you are a man, you are called student. But when you are a woman, it is studentin. It is only for comrade, guys. Do not misuse also this word. I see a lot of students misusing them, but it is studentin. Strictly university students. If you're just a student, maybe you are a high school student or pre-high school or senior high school or kindergarten or just any school, but you have not yet graduated. You are still not graduated yet. You are still not yet in university or campus. You are a Schüler if you are a man, but if you are a woman, you are a Schülerin. Schülerin and Schüler. The same applies to studiere. Studiere means to study. Learner, to learn. Studiere is to study at the university level only. Learner is to learn anything, maybe at a college level, high school level, anything. Maybe you are learning YouTube videos. You are now learner. The next word that people really misuse is the word arbeitslos. Arbeitslos. This means you are jobless. Jobless or unemployed. Yes, you are unemployed, but when you tell someone ich bin arbeitslos, it leaves an impression like why? How can you be jobless? Are you serious? Are you not serious with your life? Something like that, yeah. You know, in German, people they really believe in hard work, working so hard and smart at the same time. So you're not supposed to be just jobless. There are a lot of jobs you're supposed to be working. So you're not supposed to tell someone at you are jobless. No, it's not allowed. It leaves a very bad impression. Okay. Instead of saying ich bin arbeitslos, you're supposed to say ich bin auf Arbeitssuche. Ich bin auf Arbeitssuche. I am looking for a job. Not just I am jobless. Not just ich bin arbeitslos. Nein. Just say ich bin auf Arbeitssuche. I am looking for a job. At least this one shows that even if you don't have, but at least you are taking a step of looking for it. Yeah. It leaves now a good impression. We also have practicum. This is an internship. Once you are done with your studies, maybe you have finished your university, then you can do an intern at a company or any organization just to get experience in preparation for you to get employed. Then we also have Ausbildung. Ausbildung, this is an apprenticeship whereby you can work immediately. You can work for like 2 or 3 years, then you get enough experience. It's kind of a vocational training, yeah. Then you will get employed and start earning as you work. You earn as you learn. Then you immediately you finish your 3 years, you do your final exam. When you pass, you get employed in that field you have studied. But if you fail, you are done. But if you pass the exam, you get employed right away. This is actually a very nice program. You study for 3 years and you get paid while studying. Then you get enough experience, and once you are done, you do exam, you get employed right away. You can say ich mache ein Praktikum oder ich mache eine Ausbildung. Ich mache eine Ausbildung. Ich mache eine Ausbildung. Yeah. Now let's combine the four prepositions that we have learned and make a complete sentence. We'll start. Ich heiße Scovia. Ich komme aus Kenia. Ich bin Lehrerin von Beruf. Oder ich arbeite als Lehrerin. Oder ich arbeite bei Goethe-Institut in Berlin. Ich arbeite 5 Tage die Woche und habe am Wochenende frei. My name is Scovia. I come from Kenya. I am a teacher by profession. Or I work as a teacher at Goethe Institute in Berlin. And I work for 5 days a week and I'm free on weekends. On weekends, I'm free. Yeah, that's a complete sentence to mean what you have just learned. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you very much. Please remember to like the video, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that you get notified once I upload a new video. Otherwise, let me see your reactions. Let me see your questions on the comment section, and I'll answer all of them. Otherwise, thank you for now. Please also remember to go through my playlist, watch more videos like this, and bye. Choose. You are the best of the best of the best. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bis morgen. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Tschüss, tschüss, tschüss.